Welcome back to the channel. Last week we picked up our brand new Road King Special. From yesterday I decided to install a heel shifter. It's not that difficult, but I decided to make a short video about it. So what we get in the box is 2 pages of instructions on how to remove the original shifter, put this one on, and then put the original shifter back on. You got the metal rod here, you got a washer, and you get a shifter pack. Of course, because I've installed the Streamline shifter pack, I also bought the Streamline shifter pack for the heel shifter. So we won't be needing this because this is the regular shifter pack. We're gonna replace that one with the Streamliner one. So basically this is how it looks after the install of the heel shifter. It's just taking out one screw, taking off the toe shifter, replacing the bigger washer with the smaller one, which is included in the box. Put the toe shifter back on and then just slide on the heel shifter. And basically that's all there is to it. It was like a 10-minute install. Hopefully it will provide a more comfortable ride. Thanks for watching. Until the next video.